Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap about the trades taken last week using Magic Abyss system. So let's get started. The first thing that I want to show is that I made this chart. It is a pound index 40-minute chart trade setup. What it is the Elliott wave count minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and I was expecting that it will go from here to here for wave 5. This chart was made on the 24th August. It ended up on Friday, the 28th August, just like this. Right from where I said there's going to go up, it went up all the way and hitting this 6008 number, and it was already also there. Here, see that? So that was the first resistance. If we break that, we can go over there, or maybe we'll return, whatever, but we got to 6008 already. Now, because of that, what will happen, I wrote it down here, all pound pairs will go up except EG. Well, C is missing yet, but don't worry, this except EG, because EG is on the right hand side, so that will go down. All other pair, because of this move to the upside, all pound pairs will go up. So that happened, that move to the upside happened. So that means pound pairs has to be going long, right, according to what I said. And then I should have some pound pairs long trades in pound pairs. So let's see what happened after the 24th August, right? So how many trades? So let's get started. Right after that, on the next day, 25th August, you can see that it's a 7-minute pound yen, right? Beautiful trade. I took for 80 pip in pound yen. The next trade is pound NUSD. Now, the pound NUSD trade is to the downside. You can see is on the 26th August because of the fact that the NUSD dollar was getting much stronger, more stronger than the pound. And you can see that it did not go much to the downside, right? Slowly, because pound was getting strong. It's 110 pip, that's still big because the pound NUSD moves a lot. And NUSD dollar got stronger, very, very strong. Let me just go and take a look, show it to you that how NUSD dollar got stronger. And for that, pound NUSD went down and pound Aussie went down as well because they both. See that? Let me here. See that how New Zealand index chart going up beautiful and powerfully to the upside. That's getting strong. So NUSD was getting more stronger than pound, and that's why pound NUSD went down. So the next trade you can see, but most of them you will see that that's what the NUSD dollar did to euro as well, 190 pip. You see that the entry was here, right there on the 26th, and the trade was closed on the next day, 27th, because of the fact that when I noticed that NUSD dollar is getting such, so strong, and this pair also moves a lot. So you hold on to your trade when it is moving fast. Now the next day, 27th, again, like I said, the pound Aussie went down also because that Aussie, and then it's not going down much because of the fact that pound is getting strong too. Let me show you the Aussie dollar index as well, just like NUSD dollar, that it was getting strong, and it started getting strong more than the pound. See that powerfully going to the upsides. Look at the 20-minute chart. This is how after the retracement. This is on the 21st, 25th started here, and after that, all week long, powerfully going to the upside, right? So this is the fact that Aussie, Euro Aussie, Pound NUSD, they all went down because all these Asian currencies, especially this Aussie and NUSD dollar, they were getting strong, much, much stronger than other currencies. So now, but I also have pound yen again. Pound yen was on the run to the upside because pound was as strong as I said, as well as the yen was getting weaker, much weaker than the pound. So this pair will just keep going to the upside, up, 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 up. And this is on the 27th, and the 27th, because I just showed you that the Aussie dollar was getting strong. So Aussie USD, even though I don't like going long in this pair, but such a good solid setup is, I have to have my Magic IV setup to go short or long. and it was a beautiful, pretty long setup, giving that the Aussie dollar was getting much stronger, and USD, you know that it was just keep getting weaker and weaker all week long. So took advantage of that. And on the 28th, Euro Aussie, again, the Aussie is on the right hand side, so it presses down the Euro Aussie and 135 pip to the downside. Beautiful trade. I missed all of that move, but it doesn't matter. You know, missing is much better than losing, right? So you wait for your setup, and that came here. Not here, not here, but these are the 70-minute setup, and I missed that because on my the other account, which is the 7-minute, I'm not watching the Euro Aussie on the 7-minute, so I just couldn't hear the alarm and I missed it. But on the 20-minute, I caught it here, and it went down, right? And do I have anything else on the 28th? Okay, pound CAD. See, but for the fact the pound was getting strong, so you see how many pound CAD, pound Newsy, and Aussie went down, but other than that, all pound pair went up. So pound CAD is 95 pip, beautiful trade, long trade setup to the upside. And here another one probably, yes, see pound USD also, for the fact that USD was getting weaker, it was going up, and so this was a long setup. This is the long entry. This is the long entry. This was a long entry. Right around here, right? And this is a perfect by the book long entry, not for much, but 60 pip. And is there anything else? Yes, probably. And well, this is the pound index on the 24th, which I said this is going to happen from here to here, and so far it went there. So helped me a lot to take those pound pairs long. Again, which one were going down? Pound Aussie and pound Newsy. Obviously, when something like that I made, and then I'm looking for long, but I see it short setup, I have to see that, what the heck is happening. And the only reason is that the other currency is going against more than the first one. And that's the case between pound Aussie and pound Newsy. That was the case last week. Aussie and Newsy dollar were getting more stronger than pound, so they went down. This week, I'm expecting that the USD probably going to make a turn to the upside, and it is retraced to 75%, and the channel TL, and probably is going to retrace back to the upside, getting strong, and obviously then the Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Newsy USD, they will be going down, and USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will be going up. That's what I'm expecting this week. So let's see if USD start getting bullish on the 20-minute chart, and obviously then I will see my setup in respective direction, some long, some short, and four of those pairs will be going short, and 3 will be going long, and I'll be taking those trades, and hopefully I'll be showing you in my webinar. The videos. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.